Blessed Saturday to us all. Ito yung kanyang breakfast ngayon. Kasi nga, though it's Saturday, aalis kami ngayon. Maghanap ng kanyang magiging costume sa school occasion nila before mag-end ng klase. So, this is it. Pancake, may oranges, and yung pancake niya is may dalawang klase. The chocolate one, and then this one is cheese pancake, and then this is the chocolate one. So para may mapagpipilian yung alaga ko sa kanyang kakainin. So thank you everyone for watching. Maraming salamat. A blessed Saturday to us all.